Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video we discussed up to 19 questions, Noma. In this video we are going to discuss the questions from 20 onwards. Let us see here what is the 20th question. Minus b minus 0. Minus b minus 0 is equal to what we will get here? Minus 0 means nothing is there. So again we will get it as minus b only, no? Okay, minus b, this is related to which option here? Option again they given as expressions, right? So first we have to simplify it. Okay, what is that first one here? First option, minus 1 into b. We know that 1 into b is b and here minus is there. So minus b. Option 1 is satisfying here. Next check that option b also. 1 minus b minus 0 which is equals to 1 minus b only. Minus 0 means nothing is there. Okay, so again we will get it as 1 minus b. Next option C, see here, 0 minus of minus 1 into b which is equals to 0 minus into minus which is equals to plus 1 into b. So 0 plus means that is no need to add anything. 1 into b is plus b here. Okay ma'am. Next option D, see here, minus b minus 0 minus 1 which is equals to minus b minus 1. Yes or no? 0 means no, nothing is there. Okay. Now see here, this answer is related to which option ma here? Here plus b is there, here minus b is there. We need that minus b only, no? So that's why here option A is satisfying. Okay, yes. Next, 21st question, see that the side length of the top of a square table. Length of the top of a square table is, this is a square and here the length is x meters. The expression for perimeter. Okay, here x, here also x and here also x. Okay, now what is the perimeter of a square here? Perimeter of a square. We know that the formula for perimeter of a square, what is that? 4 into side. 4 into side. So here 4 into side is equals to, side is x meters or x centimeters they given, right? So which is equals to 4 into x, which is equals to 4x. Okay ma? So which option is satisfying here? Option C, just they are asking expression only. Okay, yes. Next to 22nd question, say that the number of scarves of length half meter that can be made from y meters of cloth. That may be made from y meters of cloth. What they are asking? How many scarves? Okay, the number of scarves of length half meter. Okay, half meter that can be made from y meters of cloth. For example, y is equal to 4 meters cloth is there. Okay, 4 meters cloth is there. Now, number of scarves. Each scarf is having, each scarf length is half meter. Each scarf length is half meter. Now here number of scarves can made here. Okay, so out of 4 meters, here each scarf measurement is 1 by 2 meters, which means half meter only, no? So which is equals to 4 into 1 by 2 become as 2 by 1, which is equals to 4 to 8. Yes or no? 4 meters cloth is there. For example, 1 meter cloth is there. One scarf already we know that, right? We can, ladies using that scarf, right? So that scarf length is half meter. Okay, for example, 1 meter cloth is there, half meter scarf is there. So by using 1 meter cloth, how many scarves we can make here? 2 scarves we can prepare, right? And in the same way 2 meters cloth is there, then here each scarf is half meter only. So 2 meters, how many scarves we can make here? 4 scarves. Okay, and in the same way 3 meters there means 3 to 6. Okay, for every 1 meter of cloth we can prepare that 2 scarves. Okay, by using that condition here, what they are asking ma? Here y meters cloth is there. Y meters cloth is there. This is example. Okay, and here scarf length of the scarf is, length of each scarf is half meter. Okay, half meter. Now number of scarves we can prepare, we can make, okay, we can make number of scarves which is equals to here y by half, which is equals to 2y. Understand ma? Okay, see here what is that answer here, 2y. Option A is correct. Okay, 2 into y. Okay, actually this is small y ma. Okay, next 23rd question, what is that, 123 x square y minus 138 x square y is a like term of, so first here we have to simplify it. Okay ma, 123 minus 138 minus 123. Okay, 8 minus 3 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, and here minus symbol is there for that, minus 138, which is equals to minus 15 x square y. Minus 15 x square y. So here what is that answer ma? Minus 15 x square y. Yes, minus 15 x square y. Please change that option B as minus 15 x square y. Okay ma, some more mistakes there in your material, just please check that, minus 15 x square y. Okay ma, yes. 24th one say that the value of 3x square minus 5x plus 3 when x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 3. 3 into 1 square is again 3 only. Minus 5 into 1, 5 plus 3. Okay. Plus 3 which is equals to 6 minus 5 which is equals to, answer is 1. Okay ma. Option A is correct. And finally we are having the last question, 25th question. What is that? The expression for the number of diagonals that we can make from one vertex of a n-sided polygon. Okay, just to say that, for example, here onwards I'll take, see that. We know that diagonals we can draw from that quadrilateral onwards only. Okay, triangle is not having diagonal. Number of diagonals of a triangle is 0. Okay, that's why no need to take the triangle. Next, four-sided figure. Four-sided figure తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. Just we have to take that four-sided figure. Okay, that is square or rectangle, whatever it may be, that is a four-sided figure. Okay, here A, B, C, D. By taking only one vertex they are asking. So here I am taking that A. I am pointing that A here. So by taking A here, how many diagonals we can draw? Only one diagonal, right? Now five-sided figure. Five-sided figure. Pentagon. Okay. A, B, C, D, E. Five-sided. Now here, by taking A again, I can draw here only two diagonals. How many diagonals ma? Two diagonals I can draw here. Is there any possibility? AE not possible, AC already completed, AB not completed, AB not possible, right? We can draw that diagonals for that non-adjacent vertices only, right? We can join any two non-adjacent vertices, then we will get the diagonal. Okay, here how many diagonals there? Here one diagonal, here two diagonals. Next, six-sided figure. Six-sided figure. Okay, six-sided figure means just take that hexagon. Okay ma, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now draw that again from that vertex A, AC, AD, AE. So here how many diagonals we got? Three diagonals. Okay, if you have any doubt, another diagram also I'll draw. See that seventh one, seven-sided figure. Okay, seven-sided polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, Z. 7-sided figure. Okay, ma? Now see here, again from A, how many diagonals we can draw that? AC, AD, AE, AF. That's it. Okay, here how many diagonals we got? 4 diagonals. So finally what is the conclusion means, here if that is having n-sided polygon, that polygon is containing here n sides, n number of sides, then here how many diagonals we can draw from that? Only one vertex, either that is A, B, C, D or whatever it may be. Here I taken A. Okay, you can take that B, C, D or whatever it may be, that is your wish. Okay, just to say that. How we can write this one, ma? Here as per this one n minus 3, here say that we can write that total number of sides, 4 sides, 4 minus 3. Shall we write like this, ma? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and this one is 5 minus 3 which is equals to 2. Okay, and this is 6-sided figure minus 3 which is equals to 3, and this is a 7-sided figure, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, as per this one, after generalization, here if that is n-sided polygon, then here number of diagonals formula is, number of diagonals we can draw from one vertex. Okay, see here what is that formula here? Number of sides, 4-sided figure, so 4 minus 3, 1. 5-sided figure, 5 minus 3, 2. 6-sided figure, 6 minus 3, here 3. 7-sided figure, 7 minus 3, 4 diagonals. So here n-sided figure, which means n minus, here from that every case we are subtracting 3, then only we are getting that answer, right? So that's why n minus 3. Okay, finally what is that answer, ma? Here if that is n-sided polygon, then here number of diagonals we can draw from one vertex, that is any vertex. Okay, from one vertex we can draw that n minus 3 diagonals. Understand, ma? And this is the final conclusion. So up to here totally worksheet 6 completed, and in the same way algebraic expressions topic also completed. Okay, ma? In the next video again we will start that exponents concept is there, next one. So we will start that exponents concept. Okay, thank you all.